So this is me fishing off the river in Florida. I was casting near some structure. I wasn't really targeting anything specific. I was looking around because the water was really high before I got there. It was outgoing tide, but Hurricane Milton caused the water levels to be over the seawall. And of course, when I'm not paying attention, just looking around, I'll get a hookup. So at this point, I realized I am not ready to land this fish because I didn't have my boca. So I put my bag down and I tried to keep the tension tight on the reel while I was trying to get the boca out of the bag. This was a mistake because at some point I allowed the tension to loosen while trying to get the boca out of the bag, but luckily the fish stayed hooked. He stayed pinned while I got the boca out the bag, and I had to readjust the reel and get rid of everything so I could eventually use the boca to get the fish out of the water. After fighting the fish for a few seconds, I realized the fish was starting to tire out, and I was able to eventually land the fish. So I brought the fish over the seawall, and if you listen carefully, I sound like Goofy because I was excited that I did this on my own. So I fast forward through the process of me unhooking the snook and putting the book in his mouth, and here you have it, risking my life because it's shaking so much. But it was a 25-inch snook that I had caught on my